is my first time to come over here and be inspired. I am an illustrator myself, and what was really impressive, I liked the children's book because the beautiful illustrations, a little bit of text, and they go by chapters of your history. I saw so many different styles. It makes me richer because each of the styles is different. I can look at it, I can learn, I can understand. I started to create my happy birds because I like the freedom. I create one every day and then I post it. So it will become a book. So here I am also for the inspiration. If you're a creator of the character, what you can do, not only a book, but you also can do a lot of different things. And I saw really good stuff here. We also have such festival called Luster. It's a really big thing. It's mainly the Czech illustrators, but they're also inviting people from abroad. It was established 2014, so now it's got a long tradition. And it's similar to this one. You can actually, again, see the different styles and make connections, so I think it's really important. You should cooperate together between this festival and that festival, that will be great.